Yes! There it is.
Alright, good morning guys. It is 5 minutes to 6 a.m. We have just arrived at Mornington Pier. It's going to be a nice day, and hopefully we can get back to you with some action.
Alright, mixing up the burley.
So the burley mix that we're using here, we got it from a local fishing shop in Bentley. It's called Loha's Fishing Shop. They've got a wide range of gears, basically everything you need to telescopic fishing rods, reels, lures, floats, burley mixes, and all other accessories that make a difference depending on your fishing style. The owner, she's super friendly. She's always happy to share tips and answers questions to help you find the right gear. Definitely worth checking them out, guys. Loha's Fishing Shop in Bentley, and support local businesses.
And we just leave that alone for now. Alright, I'm using a bit of silverfish. I'm going to chop it up to smaller bite size for the mackerel. And we'll see how we go. Now we'll bait it up with our 11.25 gram float. This is by Master Pro, and what's really good with this, it's got, if you've got battery, just push that in and it goes green. If you push it even further, it turns red. But at the moment I'm not using the lights. I don't have to because it's already bright. Here's our hook for the mackerel. So now we'll bait up this chunk. And we'll hope for the best. Now we wait. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes. Yes. First one. Yeah. Yay. Oh. 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 Okay, let's reuse this bait. Give me good luck. Good luck, charm. Oh. Yep. Oh. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh my god. Another. Great job, baby. So messy. It's so messy.
At this point, we caught about 9 mackerels all together, and we started noticing people next to us were catching garfish. So Tony quickly changed his setup to garfishing using the telescopic rod. Again, this from Loha's Fishing Shop, and not long after, he started pulling garfish fast as well.
It's like the foot didn't go down. I just saw like a little movement. And so I just kind of tugged it and then
Nice.
The bells out here are nice size too, right?
Yeah, they're bigger than the ones in Frankston.
Yeah.
It's past 9 o'clock, the sun's out, condition was great, and we're just having a blast.
Okay, off. Yes. Yeah. What is this?
It's a Tommy Rock.
What is it?
Yeah, Tommy Rock.
Can I see?
You can't tell because of the spots on the end.
Oh.
It's a herring.
It's a herring?
It's legal, yeah.
Well, look, it looks like a mackerel too.
Yeah, it's not the same.
It's
Look
not
at
the
tail.
same.
See this thing?
Oh, yeah.
It's a Tommy Rock, but it's legal.
Nice. Oh, look at that one.
That's a big one. You see that?
Yeah.
Congratulations, babe.
Yay.
It's a cute one.
It is a big one. Oh, big boy.
You see how it didn't go all the way?
Hey, look at the poo. It just keeps flying.
This is the biggest one, babe. That's huge.
Oh, yay. Can you see?
Yeah, it's the big one, yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
It is now 11 o'clock and we decided we're hungry. So we wrapped it up and drove to a nearby park to have our pre-packed lunch. And yes, we pack our lunch too, rice, adobo and everything.
So we've had a really good morning so far. The wind wasn't too bad. It's nice and sunny. I would say that's a very successful day. Anyways, we just pulled over by the Mornington Peninsula. We found a little picnic next to a bathroom. We had our lunch here. I made our lunch.
That doesn't sound appealing.
Alright guys, we moved to Frankston. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's so nice and sunny and there's not many people. It's currently low tide. High tide today would be around 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
All of these people are targeting garfish as well. Most of them were fishing on the open side of the pier without the railings, but when we checked on the water, there's a whole school of garfish just beneath the surface on the other side. But the railings were so high, I had to get on a stool to comfortably cast my line.
Baby, can you pass me a chair? I need a step stool. Thank you. What? Oh. Nice, Tony caught another one. Ouch, but now I caught myself. Got one too. Oh my god. Guys, we literally just got here. Like, it's not even 5 minutes yet and we caught maybe around 10 garfish already. I think we can bag out today. How cool. So an hour, almost an hour 30 minutes. And look at that. So much garfish. Alright, I'll show you how I use the silver bait. This is the silver bait. Okay, seafood bait, silver fish. I cut off the head and then I just cut maybe like a centimeter long piece, and then I cut that into 4. That's how small. Like this is fine. This right here is fine. This I will use that for bait. To the side, and then this I'll probably just cut in half like that. So this is how big the bait is that I'm using for my size 5 hook. So this is the size 5 hook that we're using. It's so small. Alright, and then when you bait it up, you just hook it once. So you hook it once, right? That's it. That's your bait. Let's see. I'm on my stool. I'm on my stool, guys. Look at that. Isn't too short. Now, you know, I'm not that short, but the rail is too high for me. Now we wait. Yeah. There you go. Come on. There you go. See? That's it. That's how I catch garfish. So this is a little bit small. They're very scaly. Oops. Oh no! There it is.
So we've been here for about 3.5 hours. I think today was one of our best sessions ever. The target was garfish, and we definitely delivered.
Yeah, definitely check out Frankston Pier for garfishing. It's so fun. I was on my little stool because the rail was so high for me.
And today my wife and I got 40 garfish each, so we maxed out. In Victoria, the daily bag limit is 40 per person. There is no limit on the size of the fish. As you can imagine, we are very pleased with our efforts today. This is not something that happens often. In fact, this is our first time bagging out on garfish, and we love to share with our friends and family, especially with seafood prices these days. This is basically our version of hitting the jackpot.